Bongo reli.
Ngambu ya mono asedi bageriga yuko twachirega iga aseke saisieke kia NACADA egeombekeria gekorwania kunywa marua mange nebindi byonse bigotindia na bitu abilonchirire ero baachire ku national office erinde tocosomia abantu baito amangana ibinyugwe biga na marioga ya kunywa yogotindia obaachire baborokererie babasomie erinde bamanyenga amadara na araroro bintu biri bigokoreka nebibe nejita bichikoso kujita chingia na mono gosaria obwa matobu ya se chinka jito na se ji ese binyoro bito baachire gaiga kwa niaba y'umushimi wa Paul Simbarati oyo tare ngange na achire kolonch ere to chaka mangana yo gosomia abantu baito ase county yeitengima rero twachage chi ward 18 yenere yemo achiri 18 na mambinto genderete paka Friday erinda abantu baito bamanyenga inki the dangers obobe wa drugs obobe wa alcohol inki binde bigo sababisha asa maisha y'abantu ase society igonto bwato abaria bari bago chokotosomia oyo mobo madam wikirega igasara ne gochokotosomia iga na ndo gukora anko myokara sande iga abantu baito kamuranche se mwabeta obosemi bono bonene na ndemo bategerera kiagara cyo bategerera tonyoro bubui no bomenye buya ase chinka chito ibageri ndangerio mwari moito monene oito gocha gosomia abantu baito Sara National Office ya NACADA. Now, Kisii, Sarah, we want to welcome you to Kisii County to educate our people on matters alcohol, matters drug and substance abuse, so that then they are able to know how they can live better and well going forward. Welcome, Madam Sarah.
I want to take this opportunity to thank you, our Deputy Governor, and especially to thank the Governor of Kisii, Mr. Simba or Arati. We are grateful because he has given us an opportunity as NACADA, which is our work is to, not always fighting, but we are also doing education. So today we have come here to talk to our people about drug abuse and what effect it has on our own lives and on especially the lives of our young people. Because we are losing quite a number of our young people due to drug abuse. So we are here to see how can we work together as a community to combat this problem. In our homes, let's start from our homes, in our schools, in our learning. We have learning institutions here in Kisii, and we are really passionate about helping the young people to realize their dreams. And the message I'm going to send out today is starting from our homes, right from where we stay as families. How do we identify, how do we deal with this menace in the community? It is affecting, it doesn't have criteria, it doesn't have class, it doesn't have education level. It affects people the same way. So that whether you went to school or you never went to school, when you're drunk, you're drunk. So we want to see how can we then work together as a community. And we are here passionate, helping the people in Kisii and other places of Kenya. And I want to say thank you to the government of Kisii, the county government of Kisii, for seeing it fit. I think this is one of its own kind. And I want to say congratulations for taking the lead. We are going to be talking to people from about 45 wards.
Yes.
Yes, by Friday. So we are here and we are up to the task.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Toro mna wako. Akana nyoka leo kwa